Hello, and welcome. Today we will be talking about what is a Node MCU ESP8266 and how to collect DHT data and display it on the Adafruit IoT Dashboard. The Node MCU ESP8266 is an open-source development board based on the ESP8266 microcontroller. It is designed for prototyping and building Internet of Things, IoT, projects and applications. Here are some key features and information about the Node MCU ESP8266. Microcontroller, powered by the ESP8266 microcontroller, known for its low cost and power efficiency. Wi-Fi connectivity, features built-in Wi-Fi capabilities for Internet connectivity, ideal for IoT applications. Firmware, typically programmed with Lua-based firmware, but also compatible with Arduino IDE and MicroPython. USB TTL interface, equipped with a USB to serial TTL converter for easy programming and debugging. GPIO pins, offers general-purpose input/output pins for interfacing with external devices and sensors. Power supply, can be powered via a micro-USB port, simplifying the power source. Community and ecosystem, supported by a vibrant community with extensive resources and libraries. Affordability, known for its cost-effectiveness, making it accessible for hobbyists and developers. Versatility, suited for a wide range of projects, including home automation, sensor monitoring, and remote control. For this connection, you will need to connect the GND pin of the DHT to GND of the ESP8266. Connect the VCC pin of the DHT to 3v3 of the ESP8266. Connect the data pin of the DHT to D3 of the ESP8266. We will be using this code to be able to connect with the Adafruit IoT Dashboard. You will need to change the WLAN_SSID and WLAN_pass to the name and password of the network that the Node MCU will connect to. You will also need to change the IO username and key. You can get these from the Adafruit IoT Dashboard. Just click on the key icon and it will display your Arduino key. You will also need to change these lines of code to be able to see the data on Adafruit IoT Dashboard. Change the name to be the same as the feed you are using. This is how to set up the Adafruit IoT Dashboard. First, go to Feed and set up the data points you want to collect. We will be using humidity and temperature as we are using a DHT11 sensor. After creating the feeds, you will need to go to the dashboards and create one. Go into your dashboard and create two blocks. You can create blocks by clicking on the settings icon on the top right. After finishing all these steps, you will be able to collect DHT data and display on Adafruit IoT Dashboard. Thanks for watching.